Hi, my name is Detective Pete Jarecki, and this is my partner, Detective Gordon Fong.
Your neighbor across the hall, Mrs. Mahalchik, was murdered last night. Yeah. May we ask you some questions?
Sure.
All right. Do you know who did it?
No.
Did you do it?
No.
Do you own a pistol?
No.
Have you ever been to the Great Cave?
Yes.
Was it nice?
That checks out. Did you see any suspicious persons in the building?
No.
What's the capital of Wyoming?
Cheyenne.
What's the primary export of Scotland?
Aerospace.
What's the square root of pi?
Square root of pi.
Did you hate your neighbor?
No.
Do you hate us?
Yes.
Why?
You're idiots.
Don't you think that's me?
Immanuel Kant argues that as a human being, I'm only required to follow categorical imperatives. Since there's nothing intrinsically valuable about stroking your ego, I have no moral obligation to do so.
Who's afraid of Virginia Woolf?
You're fucked.
That checks out.
Do you think we're going to solve this case?
No.
Why?
Both dead and done.
You got an answer for everything, don't you?
Actually,
Okay, well then why did my dad abandon my family?
because you masturbated.
Why did my brother commit suicide?
Because you masturbated.
Why did my mom go insane?
Family history of schizophrenia, additionally triggered by the stress of family dysfunction, the abandoning of your husband, and the loss of your brother at a young age.
Wow, that is exactly right.
And also because you masturbated.
Where were you last night?
Fucking your mother.
That checks out.